Okay, what do you want to be when you grow up? Would you like to come back to tech camp again?
Yeah.
Like us?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your favorite activity?
I would say the guts. Say the guts.
The e-guts?
The e-guts.
Did you enjoy coming here today?
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, after coming here today, would you want to convince other 6th graders to come here next year?
Sure.
Did you meet any new people who want to have a technology as a job?
I want the same career as you. It's fine. No? Okay, hold up.
Okay, thank you.